I had essential tremors, and after my surgery, I am completely recovered from the surgery, and my hands are, I could do my normal life. Oh, gee.
Josie, this is going to be your brain. So what's going to happen is you shouldn't feel anything, but you'll hear noise. Now, do you mind letting us see your arm? Okay, now slowly bring that towards your face. And just hold it there. Exactly. Okay. So that's what we're going to see, and that's what we're going to fix, okay?
Okay. Eventually stopped going out to eat. My hands would shake so much I couldn't keep the food on my fork, and I would eat like a dog.
Now hold it out like you're giving a toast. Great. Now bring it towards your face. Wow, that looks really, really good.
Yes.
What do you think?
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
It's wonderful. I go to concerts. I was on a concert on Sunday, and I go out to eat, and it's just enjoyable. And I tell them where I went to have the surgery, and they said they don't believe that. They didn't know that St. Mary's did that.